Sodomy is a demonic spirit occupying the person performing the perverted sexual act. So if you are having sex in a perverted manner with a person with a spirit of sodomy, you are literally doing sexual acts with a demonic spirit. You are in bed with a demon. You are satisfying a demon spirit who manifests through the person you are doing these sexual acts with. Deuteronomy 23 verse 17. There shall be no cult prostitute among the daughters of Israel, nor shall there be a cult prostitute, a sodomite, among the sons of Israel. You shall not bring the wages of a prostitute or the price of a dog. A dog is a male prostitute. Dog was the name given to male prostitutes in the Bible. Let's read on. Into the house of the Lord your God, as payment for any vow, for both of these, the gift and the giver, are utterly repulsive to the Lord your God. The word dog in the Strong's Hebrews means a male temple prostitute, a male devotee by prostitution to licentious sexual sin and or idolatry, licentious, promiscuous and unprincipled in sexual matters, an unclean male person. Let's look at the definition of sodomy taken from the Webster dictionaries. Sodomy, also called buggery, meaning anal or oral sex with a person of the same sex or of the opposite sex. Sexual activity between a person and a non-human, e.g. with an animal, also called bestiality. All kinds of sexual perversion. Carnal copulation in a manner against nature. Any type of sexual intercourse held to be abnormal or unnatural. Kinky and or fetish-based sex. Any non-procreative sexual activity. Any sexual act besides what God has ordained.